IGBC rating system, that is nothing but Indian Green Building Council. So as a part of Confederation of Indian Industry in the year 2001, the Indian Green Building Council was formed in India. That was at Hyderabad. We can find the office opposite to the Google. So the main vision of this council is to enable a sustainable built environment all over the world and to be one of the global leader in the sustainable built environment by the year 2025. You can see here, to enable a sustainable built environment for all and facilitate India to be one of the global leaders in the sustainable built environment by the year 2025. This was the main vision. So what does this council offer? This council offers a wide variety of services which include developing new green buildings, giving rating systems to the new buildings, or giving ratings to the already existing buildings, and they will be provide some guidelines to the green building. They will provide certification services. They will provide training programs, and they will also organize the green building congress also. So this council is committee based, member driven and consensus focused. All the stakeholders, construction industry comprising of architects, developers, all will be there. This council also closely works with some state governments or as well as central government also, World Green Building Council also. That was about Indian Green Building Council. Under this there are many rating systems. We will go one by one what are those rating systems. So first one is IGBC Green New Buildings. This rating system was launched for completely buildings which were constructed newly. Okay, if you see the Indian Green Building Council has launched IGBC Green New Building Rating System to address the national priorities. This rating system is a tool which enables the designer to apply green concept and reduce environmental impacts that are measurable. Okay, so what are the benefits? The most tangible benefits are the reduction in water and energy consumption right from the day one of occupancy. That means from the starting date or starting day of the starting construction, there will be a reduction in water and energy consumption also. So the energy savings could range from 20 to 30%, and water savings are around from 30 to 50%. That is the main benefit of using this IGBC Green New Building rating system. And there are many other benefits also. Intangible benefits are also there, that are nothing but air quality, excellent daylighting, health and well-being of occupants. This is about IGBC Green New Building. These are the several features for this new building rating system. In that, first feature is sustainable architecture and design, site selection and planning. Sustainable architecture means architecture should be in such a way that the daylight should be allow into the room. The daylight should properly allow during the daytime into the room. Site selection and planning. The site should not disturb. Selection of the site should not disturb any vegetation. Water conservation, you should conserve the water. There should be energy efficiency. The building materials which you are using in your building should be sustainable. That means they should not affect the environment. Okay, and they should be renewable materials only. And indoor environment, the quality of the indoor air should be good. Innovation and development. These are the main features for this IGBC Green New Building Systems. For any IGBC will be given ratings. 4 ratings will be given. Those are nothing but certified silver, gold, platinum. Based on these certification levels, these are the 4 certification levels, and there are different points for owner occupied buildings as well as tenant occupied buildings. Okay, if you get certified, your building will be recognized as best practices. For points are 40 to 49. If you get 50 to 59 points in between, you will get silver rating. The building will be as outstanding performance. As well as gold 60 to 74, tenant occupied buildings 60 to 74, national excellence. Platinum is global. Platinum is the highest ranking given by the IGBC. If you see here, this was the platinum rating. Okay. Next is IGBC Green Interior. This is completely given rating system for only interior design only. So we know that most of us will say in indoor only. So therefore the indoor aesthetics, air quality and comfort are important to the people living inside, right? So world level designers are exploring about this. Okay, against this background, this IGBC has formed a technical committee to establish green interior standards for buildings. Okay, what are the benefits from this green interiors? First one is there is 30 to 40% reduction in energy cost, 20 to 30% reduction in water requirement, enhanced indoor air quality, use of material that are non-toxic, better acoustics, improved health and well-being occupants. Okay, this was the pilot rating system launched by IGBC, which will be operational for only the 2 years. Okay, so these are the features for these interiors: eco design approach, water conservation, energy efficiency, interior materials, interior environment, innovation in interior design. So these are the certification levels. If you compare the previous rating system and these rating systems, points will vary. There, certified will get if you got between 40 to 49 points, but here if you got 30 to 44 points, building will get certification as certified. Okay, this is about in IGBC green interior rating system. Next, schools. This rating system is exclusively launched for schools and educational institutions. Okay, to address school children from kindergarten to higher secondary. This committee comprises of key stakeholders including educationalists, principals, schoolmen. These will be the stakeholders. These are the given features are site selection and planning. That is the one most important thing. Sustainable water practices, conserving and harvesting energy, eco-friendly school material, indoor environment quality, health and hygiene, green education. That means green education means we should not use any educational tools which will be affect to the students. It is about IGBC green schools. So these are the divided into broadly they are divided under performance, pedagogy, community and responsible. If it is under performance, based on students' performance and building performance, the features should be benefits are fresh air, daylight, improved air indoor environment, and water efficiency, energy efficiency and post monitoring improves building performance. Pedagogy means eco-sensitivity. Eco-sensitivity is both a passion and science. Community means knowledge sharing with the schools helps in reaching out to parents and nearby communities. These are the benefits. How to get this certification? They should register under IGBC green schools. There should be implementation of green measures by the school given by the IGBC. IGBC team will visit school and they will assess. School will present their what are the green measures they have adopted. Then they will award the rating. This is the procedure for this getting this IGBC green school rating system. These are the points will be awarded. And green campus. Green campus means that may be any campus, a group of buildings or a group of that may be a software company, that may be any factory, that will come under IGBC green campus. Okay, these can enhance occupant health, happiness and well-being. Okay, so these are some benefits. Benefits are main: water efficiency will be there, energy efficiency will be there, indoor air quality. These are the main three motors for a green building. These should be achieved from any building, otherwise it will be not called as a green building. Okay, this rating system is designed for both new and existing campus also. This IGBC green campus is designed for both new and existing campus also. If you take our campus, JRIT college, our campus will be coming under IGBC green campus rating system, existing rating system. Okay, because ours is existing campus, we are converting it into a green campus. Right? You all are aware of that. We got already silver rating based on the green measures we have adopted in our campus. IGBC team have visited to our college last semester. They have visited and they have given this rating, and we have prepared audit report also for that. They had given rating, but it's not officially they are not given. But for that we have to submit the audit report. We have already prepared that. So these are the certification levels for this IGBC green campus rating system. Townships. IGBC will be giving ratings for green townships also. That means buildings, a township will be there, right? So in this there is one point: at least 25% of the total built up area within the township should be earmarked for residential use for it to qualify for certification. Did you get this point? 25% of the built up area within the township should be used for residential use. The remaining should be used for other green measures that we are adopting in the township. Then only you will be eligible for getting this IGBC green township rating. Okay, these are the features land use planning, the main thing, transportation planning. Next, there is one more rating system, IGBC health and well-being rating system. This is completely for hospitals. Okay, this is the rating system is completely for hospitals. So these are the rating systems points to get for rating system for this IGBC health and well-being rating system. Same green healthcare facilities also for this same purpose. District order, government build, government hospitals. These are the points. Green mass rapid system. Green mass rapid. These rating systems are exclusively launched for any metro railway stations or any BRTS constructions. Like whatever the transport, public transport we are using, that for them this rating system. Let us take our metro. Do you know our Hyderabad Metro L&T was got rating of platinum rating from IGBC. Okay, so this is completely for that transport, like public transport, metro rail system, and as well as monorail systems also will get. Okay, so this is for completely factories. Factories will get indoor environment quality. All these goals features are same. Site selection will be common, water will be common, energy will be common, but in factories there is one more goal is material conversion. These are the points. So this is about major rating systems under IGBC. In this each again they are divided into sub rating systems. Okay, total there are 17 IGBC rating systems available in IGBC site. Okay, this is about IGBC rating system. Thank you.